Hello and welcome to our channel. If you or someone you know is living with diabetes, then you won't want to miss today's video. We're going to be discussing the top 5 vitamins you can take to help prevent diabetic complications. So sit back, relax, and let's get started. Diabetes is a chronic metabolic disorder that affects millions of people worldwide. It is caused by the body's inability to produce or use insulin effectively, leading to high blood sugar levels. Over time, high blood sugar levels can damage various organs and tissues in the body, leading to diabetic complications such as heart disease, neuropathy, retinopathy, and kidney disease. While there is no cure for diabetes, there are ways to manage the condition and prevent or reduce the risk of complications. One of these ways is to ensure that you are getting adequate amounts of essential vitamins and minerals in your diet. Here are 5 vitamins that may help to prevent or reduce diabetic complications. Vitamin D. Vitamin D is an essential nutrient that plays a vital role in regulating calcium absorption and bone health. Recent research has also shown that vitamin D may help to improve insulin sensitivity, reduce inflammation, and prevent diabetic complications, such as cardiovascular disease and neuropathy. People with diabetes are often deficient in vitamin D, so it's essential to get enough of this nutrient through sunlight exposure, fortified foods, or supplements. Vitamin E. Vitamin E is a fat-soluble antioxidant that helps to protect cells from damage caused by free radicals. Studies have shown that vitamin E may help to improve glucose control, reduce inflammation, and prevent diabetic complications such as neuropathy and retinopathy. However, high doses of vitamin E may increase the risk of bleeding and should only be taken under the supervision of a healthcare professional. Vitamin C. Vitamin C is a water-soluble antioxidant that helps to protect cells from oxidative stress. Studies have shown that vitamin C may help to improve glucose control, reduce inflammation, and prevent diabetic complications, such as cardiovascular disease and neuropathy. However, high doses of vitamin C may cause diarrhea, and people with kidney disease should be cautious about taking vitamin C supplements. B vitamins. B vitamins, including thiamine, B1, riboflavin, B2, niacin, B3, pantothenic acid, B5, pyridoxine, B6, biotin, B7, folic acid, B9, and cobalamin, B12, play a crucial role in energy metabolism and the functioning of the nervous system. Studies have shown that B vitamins may help to improve glucose control, reduce inflammation, and prevent diabetic complications such as neuropathy and retinopathy. However, some B vitamins may interact with diabetes medications, and high doses of certain B vitamins may cause side effects. Magnesium. Magnesium is an essential mineral that plays a vital role in many bodily functions, including glucose metabolism, blood pressure regulation, and muscle and nerve function. Studies have shown that magnesium may help to improve glucose control, reduce inflammation, and prevent diabetic complications, such as cardiovascular disease and neuropathy. However, people with kidney disease should be cautious about taking magnesium supplements, as high doses may accumulate in the body and cause toxicity. While these vitamins and minerals can be beneficial, it is essential to speak with a healthcare professional before starting any supplement regimen. A balanced diet that includes a variety of nutrient-dense foods can provide all the essential vitamins. And that's it for today's video. We hope you found it informative and helpful. If you enjoyed the content, please give us a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more videos like this. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an upload. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.